actually see now. It's not so bright. Oh, there's lights.
Oh, there's someone over there.
Yeah, I see him. I should fly. I'm gonna fly through this.
I'm gonna get some height and practice manual mode in a minute.
I didn't realize this was all down here. Oh, wait, this is cool. Your thing's so much more quieter than mine. Ah, there's a handrail there.
People are running this way.
I'm currently avoiding the water.
Yeah, I know. I would, but I'm scared to put in the water.
Oh.
Is it all good?
We're about to go find out.
Sending it.
We're fine.
Dude, there's someone watching us from the bridge.
What, the road bridge or the window bridge?
The road bridge.
What is down here? Oh, it's a parking garage. I never knew that. Oh, that was risky. That was very risky.
Dude, I'm chasing the car around it.
Touchdown!
Yeah, I was just following the car.
Oh, you're at that parking garage. Holy crap. Oh, it's bright out here.
Wait, you can see me right now?
No, but I can see the parking garage you're talking about. Ah, the return to home.
Dude, how do I turn this off? I forgot. I turned the lights off.
You're good. The lights are out of the way. Ah! Hunt the potato.
Looking at myself looks so weird.
In third person.
Today we're flying drones. We're gonna do some cool stuff.
Subscribe or else.
Oh, it's like super laggy.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, I just seen you.
Oh my. Oh my. I love how the second I come up here, I get full single back.
Yeah, that's weird that it's lagging. I can't even see what you're doing.
That's weird.
Signal?
No, not at all actually. I stayed full bars. Four minutes.
Oh. I wonder if it'll show your screen.
in 19 seconds. Just I can't see anything. Oh, that thing feels clunky now. I hear you.
Nice drive. I just seen that on my camera.
Really? Dude, it's like echoing through the buildings.
Dang, the Capitol's looking solid right now.
Really? Okay, I'm testing this real quick.
I like how the grass is like. I like that one.